Black Lab cables stand out for one simple reason: they deliver cleaner, clearer sound that truly elevates your audio experience. If you've ever struggled with distortion or muddled tones, these cables might be exactly what you need to unlock your system's full potential. Unlike standard cables, Black Lab uses solid long-grain copper, LGC, conductors. This isn't just any copper. LGC has fewer impurities and grain boundaries, which means less distortion and a purer signal. In fact, it outperforms regular OFHC copper, which focuses mainly on loss but doesn't address distortion as effectively. The insulation also plays a crucial role. Black Lab's foamed polyethylene insulation is filled with air, which absorbs almost no energy. This design reduces signal loss and prevents the kind of distortion that comes from energy being stored and released unevenly. The result? A sound that stays focused and natural, without that out-of-focus haze common in other cables. To keep interference at bay, Black Lab integrates a metal layer noise dissipation system, NDS. While full shield coverage is standard, NDS goes further by blocking radio frequency interference from affecting your equipment's ground reference. That means less noise, less buzz, and a cleaner audio signal overall. The cable's symmetrical coax geometry also matters. By ensuring the positive and negative conductors are identical, the design avoids using the shield as a conductor, which can degrade sound quality. This attention to detail helps maintain signal integrity from end to end. Users consistently praise Black Lab cables for their superior sound quality and value. One review from the United States highlights the excellent availability and pricing compared to traditional brick-and-mortar stores, making it easier to upgrade your setup without breaking the bank. If you're serious about audio, these cables offer tangible improvements you can hear. Clearer highs, tighter bass, and a more natural overall soundstage make your music and movies more immersive and enjoyable. Worth a look if you want your gear to perform at its best. Try Black Lab cables when you're ready to experience sound without distortion or interference. They deliver what matters most: pure, faithful audio that honors your investment in quality equipment.